Hey there, creative minds! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through something super important. How to download, share, and publish your designs in Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or any other project, knowing how to save and share your work is a key. So let's dive right in. How to download your design. Once you've finished your design, to download it, just click on the Share button at the top right and select Download. Here you can choose the format in which you want to download your design. Canva offers a range of file formats. PNG is best for high-quality images like social media posts or website graphics. JPG is perfect for smaller file size with good quality, ideal for web use. PDF standard is great for sharing online, such as for digital brochures. PDF print is good if you need high resolution for printing. SVG is for scalable designs, especially logos or icons. MP4 format is to download your designs as a video. If your design includes animation or video, this format is perfect. GIF is a short and sweet, ideal for animations without sound. Before you hit and download button, take a moment to adjust the setting. For example, if you want a transparent background, specially useful for logos or icons, make sure you select PNG format and tick Transparent Background box. You can set size or quality of download also. You can also select specific pages if your design has multiple pages. Once you've picked your format and adjusted the settings, just click Download and your design will be saved to your computer. Simple as that. How to share your design. Let's say you want to share your design with someone else, maybe to get feedback or to collaborate. Canva makes it super easy. Click on the Share button. You'll see an option, Collaboration Link. Now you can select between the given options and choose between View Only, Comment, or Edit Access. Imagine you're working on a group project and you want your team to add their own elements. Share the design link with Edit Access and they can jump in and contribute. Want to share your design on social media? Canva integrates with platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. Just click Share, Share on Social, and pick your platform. Let's share it on Facebook. So I select my Facebook page, then select Format. You can even add your caption directly from Canva. Hit Publish now, and you're ready to go. Do you know you can schedule your post directly from Canva? This is a game changer for social media managers. After designing your post, click Share, Schedule. Pick the date and time you want your post to go live. Select the platform and Canva will handle the rest. If you're working in a team, you can share your design directly with the team members. Click Share and under the People with Access section, type in their email addresses. Choose between View Only, Comment, or Edit Access. They'll get an invite to collaborate with you in real time. You can also send your designs on email, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, and more. And that's a wrap-up. Now you know how to download, share, and publish your designs in Canva. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, Canva makes it easy to get your designs out into the world. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy designing!